गुड मॉर्निंग स्कॉलर्स। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम डिफेक्ट इन सॉलिड्स और इम्परफेक्शन इन सॉलिड के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे। इम्परफेक्शंस इन सॉलिड्स: crystalline solid state is characterized by three-dimensional periodic arrangements of atoms, ions, and molecules in space. Ideally, there should be a perfect order in this arrangement. However, crystals in nature are not perfect. They do not possess perfectly ordered arrangement. This is due to the presence of impurities or due to dislocalization of few constituent particles. Any deviation from the perfectly ordered arrangement of atoms or ions or molecules in crystals is called imperfection or defect. Defects can be classified into two types: point defects and line defects. Point defects. Point defects can be defined as the irregularities or deviation from ideal arrangement around a point or an atom in a crystal. Line defects. Line defects are defined as irregularities or deviation from ideal arrangement in entire row of lattice points. In this chapter, we will learn only about point defects. The point defects can be further classified into stoichiometric defects, non-stoichiometric defects, and impurity defects. Stoichiometric defects: if imperfections in a crystal are such that the ratio between the cations and anions remains the same as presented by molecular formula, the defect is called stoichiometric defect. These defects are also called thermodynamic defects or intrinsic defect. Stoichiometric defects are of two types: vacancy defects, interstitial defect. Vacancy defect. Next topic is vacancy defects generally arises due to absorption of heat from the surrounding, which result in decrease in the density of the substance. Interstitial defects: when some constituent particles occupy an internal side, the crystal is said to have internal interstitial defects. These defects increase the density of the substance. This vacant space is known as interstitial side. The particles present in these vacancies are known as interstitials. As the number of particles within the crystal increases, the density of a substance increases. Both vacancy defects and interstitial defects are generally shown by non-ionic solids. Ionic solids do not show these simple vacancy defects and interstitial defects. Instead, they show Schottky and Frankel defects. Schottky defects. Schottky defects is the sum of the Schottky defects when equal number of positive ions and negative ions replace their position and form a void. This defect is known as Schottky defect. Mass decreases while volume remains the same. Presence of a large number of Schottky defect size lower the density of the solid. Types of compounds exhibiting Schottky defects. Schottky defects is shown by highly ionic compounds which have high coordination number and small difference in the cations and anions. A few examples of ionic compounds exhibiting Schottky defects are NaCl, KCl, KBr, AgBr, and CSCl. Schottky defects maintain the electrical neutrality of the crystal. In sodium chloride, there are about 10 to the power 22 ions in 1 centimeter cube of sodium chloride, and there are approximately 10 to the power 6 Schottky pairs per centimeter cube at room temperature. Therefore, in sodium chloride at room temperature, there is one Schottky defects per 10 to the power 16 ions. Next is Frankel defect. If anionic solids, the smaller ion, generally cations, dislocalize from its normal site to an interstitial site such that electrical neutrality as well as the stoichiometry of the compounds are maintained, this type of dislocalization is called Frankel defect and also called as dislocalization defect. This defect is a combination of vacancy defect and interstitial defect. It is a vacancy defects at its original sites and an interstitial defect at its new location. Since no ions are missing from the crystal as a whole, Frankel defects do not affect the density. Frankel defects are common in ionic compounds which have low coordination number and large difference in size between cations and anions. Frankel defects are found in silver halides due to the small size of silver ions and in zinc sulfide due to small size of zinc ion. In pure alkali halides, Frankel defects are not observed because the ions are bigger than the voids. Impurity defects. Next topic is defects in the ionic solids may be introduced by adding impurity ions. If the impurity ions are in a different valence state from that of the host ions, vacancies are created. Let us understand with the help of figure. If molten sodium chloride containing a little amount of SrCl2 is crystallized, some of the sites of Na plus ions are occupied by Sr2 plus ions. Each Sr2 plus replaces two Na plus ion. It occupies the side of one ion and the other side remains vacant. The cationic vacancies thus produced are equal in the number to that of Sr2 plus ions. Another similar examples in this sodium solid solution of CdCl2 and AgCl.